Hi, my name is David Ortega, and I'm founder of Phase Biolabs. We are seeking £500,000 to develop our bio-based carbon recycling platform. Can you imagine a world without yeast? Our history with yeast goes back thousands of years and continues today as yeast powered numerous global industries. Today, however, I want to introduce you to phases and why they are the future of industrial biotechnology. Phases were discovered in the 1970s, but in reality, they are these ancient microorganisms. They're able to survive extreme environments of deep-sea hydrothermal vents due to their unique properties, which allows them to convert gases into chemicals. So what? Why is this important? Well, as you know, greenhouse gas emissions is a leading contributor to climate change. We have an overdependence on petroleum, and our ability to convert and store renewable power is difficult. Central to all this is our lack of low-cost and efficient carbon recycling technology. So how are we going to achieve net zero without a solution? Currently, we use oil to produce fuels and chemicals, which results in emissions. But our economies also have industrial processes which contribute to emissions. The current proposed solution is to take these CO2 emissions and store them underground. But why store something so useful? Our technology leverages the ability of phases to convert these gases into fuels and chemicals. The best part is that it's powered by renewable energy. We are working with emitters of CO2, who are our upstream customers, and manufacturers of fuels and chemicals, who are our downstream customers. By linking these two, we are creating a carbon value chain. So how do we do it? And what is our route to market? Starting with CO2 and renewable hydrogen, which is produced using renewable electricity, we deploy our engineered phases in modular bioreactors, where they convert these gases into our initial product, ethanol. We are working with existing bioethanol companies. These companies use yeast-based processes to convert crop sugars into ethanol. However, this process is very inefficient. 1/3 of all the crop sugar is lost to CO2 emissions. By deploying our technology with these companies and their operations, we're able to recycle their CO2 emissions into more product. Why alcohol? Also known as ethyl alcohol and ethanol. Alcohol is an industrial solvent. It can be used as a road transportation fuel, and it can be upgraded into sustainable aviation fuel. Furthermore, it can be converted into ethylene, a global commodity. So with one product, we can tackle 3 global markets. What is the phase advantage? Well, our process is more efficient than competing technologies. And due to the modularity of biology, we can produce many more products beyond ethanol. Furthermore, our technology is less capital intensive, meaning we can reach large-scale production at a fraction of the cost. Over the last 6 months, we've built a team, secured access to state-of-the-art lab facilities, secured advisors, and industrial partners. By the end of the year, we expect to engineer our first-generation phases and file a patent to cover our core technology. We plan to close our seed round early next year to fund operations, expand our team, and build a mobile lab unit and prototype. By the end of next year, we expect to begin our pilot study with our industrial partners. In 2022, we expect to continue engineering phases, optimize our process, and build a medium-scale reactor. And by the end of the year, we expect to have started product trials with our customers. Allow me to introduce you to the team. My name is David, and I'm the founder of Phase. Jonathan is a genetic engineer who's going to be helping us engineer our phases, and Gustavo is a bioprocess expert who will help establish our technology and scale up our bioprocess. Professor O'Reilly is an expert in biocatalysis and is our scientific advisor. Andrew is our business mentor and advisor, having successfully scaled multiple businesses and raised venture capital. Peter Bell is a process engineer at Ineos Bio, who has direct experience with a similar project, and he is our industrial advisor. We are not going to produce ethanol. we are a technology developer. We are going to license our technology to existing chemical and fuel manufacturers. Our business is profitable even at small scale. We don't need large scale to become economically viable. But as you can imagine, the profit margin increases as economies of scale are achieved. We are raising £500,000 to scale up our bioprocess to small scale and to medium scale production. To reach large scale, we will be licensing out our technology to a co-developer. In 2020, we cannot imagine a world without yeast. By 2030, phase-based processes will lead industrial decarbonization. And by 2040, we won't be able to imagine a world without phases. Join us in delivering a low-carbon future and in disrupting these global markets. Thank you.